Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Ross County, Hocking County, until 1:45 a.m. At 12:56 a.m., radar indicated severe thunderstorms located along a line extending from Clearport to Scioto Trail State Park, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Hocking Hills State Park, Logan. In addition, Morseville, Adelphi, Londonderry, Richmonddale, Gibsonville, South Bloomingville, Lake Logan State Park, and Islesboro are near the path of these severe thunderstorms. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until these storms have passed. Severe wind gusts are expected to occur, even with little to no thunder and lightning expected. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
So here we are moving now through Licking. It looks like just a bit of clear.